Students, welcome to your social science class. Today we are going to discuss about the last assignment of your history of lab manual. As you can see, this assignment is very short and very easier to do, and just like your previous two assignments, this assignment is also based on one of your chapter of history textbook. This assignment is based on chapter number 4, The Making of a Global World, of your history NCERT book. Apart from this, in this assignment, the heading is given Extension of Classroom Lesson 2. Okay, this assignment is of just 2 pages. As you can see, a short text is given over here, and at last 5 questions are given. So you have to go through the text, and on the basis of this text you have to answer the given 5 questions. Apart from going through the text, if you find any difficulty in answering these 5 questions, you can take help from your NCERT book, chapter number 4, and you can easily solve the questions given below. So the text which is given over here is based on the incident of Great Depression of 1929, which took place in Europe. We have gone through this explanation while doing your explanation of chapter number 4. The reason behind the Great Depression given over here, the background of the Great Depression, causes of Great Depression. Okay, many causes were there, like stock market crash of October 1929, bank failure, all these things were there. Deflation was there, unemployment and negative multiplier effect was there, global turndown was there. Okay, so you have to go through all these things. Just read the entire text carefully and answer the following 5 questions. Now let's go through the questions which are given over here. What was the time period of the Great Depression? In the beginning of the text, the time period is clearly mentioned over here. You can write it from here. Next question, what were the effects of the Great Depression? Okay, so effects are also given over here. What were the effects? That means what were the results of Great Depression on the entire world? Next, why more than 700 banks of USA collapsed in 1930? You can check in the topic, under the topic bank failures, where it is written in the first 10 months of 1930 alone, 744 US banks were bankrupt and savers lost their savings. So here you can get the answer of this question. Next, how unemployment led to the Great Depression? Okay, here under the topic unemployment and negative multiplier effect, you can get the answer of this question. Just go through it and make answers on your own. At last, define deflation. Okay, here under the topic deflation, you can get the answer of this. What is deflation? You have to make a sentence on your own for defining deflation. Okay, that means this assignment is very short and very easy to do. Only 5 questions are there, and you can easily get the answers from this text what is given over here. I hope this video was helpful to you and you will be able to solve these questions on your own. Thank you.